So this is year on year. So July 2022 to July 2023, then we can see the area of Arona there, 17.1% increase over a 12-month period, 20% increase for just Los Cristianos over a 12-month period, 33% for the whole area of Costa Deje, and then you've got 25.5% increase there for the, where's my blooming thing gone? I can't think, but where's my blooming? Oh, here we go. Lost my pointer there. Right. And then you've got a 25.5% increase for Costa Deje. Get rid of that. So month on month change. So this is June 2023 to July 2023. You can see them there. And then the percentage change. So this is month on month. So now, you probably won't be remembering this, but I do remember it because it was quite, I'm saying shocking, because it's hardly shocking, but I just noticed that we've got another decrease here in Los Cristianos. And I remember last month, I think it said minus 0.1. So it's not, prices are falling, but I'm just wondering whether Los Cristianos is starting to level out a bit or something like that in prices. So for certain, asking prices in the last 2 months have not increased. I'm pretty sure, if I remember rightly, I could look it up, but I'm pretty certain property prices were around the minus 0.01% last month. So much the same there, and slight increase there for the whole of the Deje, and the 2% and 2% increases for Arona and Costa Deje, which I think has been about average 54 properties for sale in the whole of Tenerife, and that's broken down to 1,500 in the whole municipality, Arona, with an average asking price of €3,250 per metre squared there. So that's in the whole of Arona. Then we can break that Arona down to Los Cristianos. So we've got 1,507 properties, or there were for sale at the end of July in the area of Arona, with 406 of those properties being in Los Cristianos themselves, and the price asking price there, €4,128 for Los Cristianos. So then we go to Deje, so this is the whole municipality of Deje, so we've got the 9,364, that's still the same, properties for sale in the whole Tenerife, and out of that, there's 1,834 properties for sale in Deje, again at the end of July 2023, with the average asking price of €4,476 per metre squared, so that's for July 2023, then breaking that down into Las Americas, so 1,834 properties for sale in Deje itself. Don't forget, Las Americas is broken up into half of Los Cristianos, which will be covered under the Arona side, and half for Deje, which is Las Americas Deje, which is that other side there. So 155 properties for sale in Las Americas, so it says there, with an average asking price of just under €5,400 per metre squared. And Costa Deje, which is, as I always say, just a long line of the whole of the coast of Deje there, going right up to Playa Paraíso, right from half of Las Americas I've just described there. So that's the coast of Deje, Costa Deje. 1,834 properties for sale in Deje, which we've already discussed there. 1,097 on the whole Costa for sale, with an average asking price there of €5,149 there for asking price. So that's the market report there for the end of July 2023.